Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we are applying linear regression on a Kaggle dataset to predict house prices. The dataset we are using is the house price advanced regression technique dataset from a Kaggle, which contains several features of house. So we'll walk you through how to load the data, how to pre-process and build. We are going to build a linear regression model, and also we are going to evaluate its performance and create a graph to show the actual or the predicted house prices. So the Kaggle dataset which we are using contains various features related to house characteristics such as the overall quality, the square footage, year built, and more. Our task is to predict the sales price of houses based on these features. So this is classic regression problem where linear regression can be a great starting point. The target variable here is the sales price, and the features include the above ground living area, overall quality of the house, year built, means that year of construction, and others. Now, before we go dive into the code, make sure you have the pandas, matplotlib, and scikit-learn installed. You can use pip install pandas, matplotlib, scikit-learn to install the libraries. Let's first start importing our pandas and start loading the dataset. So I have downloaded this dataset. It's a train CSV file from the competition page, and we just load it into the pandas data frame. Next, let's see the data, how the data looks like. So this contains the 81 total columns, and you can see these are the first 5 rows, and there are a lot of NAs also. Now we need to clean the data. So this involves handling the missing values, removing irrelevant columns, and converting categorical data to numerical values if needed. So we will drop the columns like let's first see the number of null values. So you can see the lot frontage has lot of null values. And next we need to drop some of the columns like alley, pool, QC, and fence because they have too many missing values and might not contribute significantly to the prediction. Right. So let me drop these columns. And now let's handle the missing value data in the remaining columns. So we have filled the missing values in the numerical values with the median and in the categorical with the mod value. So this is a common strategy to handle the missing data. Next, now let's select the features in the target variable. So we'll use so these are our features and these are the target variable. And the next we are also splitting the training data into training and testing set. So this will help us to evaluate the model on the data that has not seen before. So it's a good strategy to have 20% of your data as the test data set. Next, we are creating a linear regression model and train it on the training set. So in a scikit-learn, this is the really easy to do. You can just call the linear regression model and fit your data of X train and Y train. Now that our model is trained, we can use it to make prediction on the test data. And after making the prediction, we are going to evaluate the model performance using the mean square error, the MSE, and the R square. So let's run this. So we have calculated the mean square and the R square value. The higher R square value indicates better fits, while the lower MSE indicates a better performance. And let's visualize how well our model performed by plotting the actual versus predicted house prices. So if I run this, so as you can see from this scatter plot, the points are quite close to the diagonal, indicating that our model is making a fairly accurate predictions, which is good. So this is the actual versus predicted house prices. The y-axis has the predicted values, and the x-axis are all the actual values. So that's it. We have walked through the real application of the linear regression using Kaggle house price dataset. So we have learned how to load, pre-process, and build a simple linear regression model, evaluate its performance, and visualize the results. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Uh, don't forget to like and share. Thank you.